cameras that cover each intersection, and it tracks your vehicle.
Right.
So we know where you've been.
So were you in the T-Mobile and stolen?
No, I haven't been in there. No.
Yeah.
This is my purse? So you got it out of my car?
Yes, this is 100%.
Yeah, it is. And you said it was in there.
Get on the ground. 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 Get your ass on the ground. I mean, if they all need to just chill, just relax. That's all you gotta do. I ain't gonna hurt you. Now, what else? What else? Where the money at? Huh?
Do you want me to get up?
Where is it at?
It's in the drawer out front.
How much would normally be in there?
150.
150? Man, that's like that, man.
The keys are, you see that big, like, holster behind that desk on the left? It's behind there on the right, in the right corner. You'll find the keys.
Come on. Don't try nothing, I'm gonna fire you up.
I'm not down.
On August 16, 2025, officers in Northeast Ohio responded to an armed robbery at a T-Mobile retail location. A store employee had allegedly conspired with her boyfriend to rob her own workplace, providing access operational intelligence and a live distraction. Within hours, both suspects were in custody. A third accomplice followed 2 days later. This is a legal analysis of what the Bodycam captured. Under Ohio Revised Code, Section 2911.01, aggravated robbery requires that during a theft offense, the offender have a deadly weapon on or about their person or under their control. A firearm was used to compel compliance. That element is satisfied. This is a first-degree felony under Ohio law, carrying a mandatory prison term. There is no probation pathway for a first-degree felony aggravated robbery.
Hey, we're gonna search that way. Get a good look inside, and then we'll go in the front, clear to the back, see the hold on the back. The lobby looks clear.
97 and 127 are gonna go in through the front and search.
Police department! Is anybody inside the store? You need to make yourself known.
140 radio.
So, police department, if anybody's inside the store, make yourself known now. You hold, I'll work my way around.
We'll get 3 doors around there.
God.
Can you move up to that open door?
Yeah, you open the door here, right?
Move that way. You cover front, I'll cover left.
Go on, police department!
Manager on the phone right now.
Just hold there, Brian.
He is saying that they do work. Each doesn't have access to them. As you guys are done clearing the business, I'd like to bring it back to you. Kind of get an idea of how the suspect got in.
Clear?
Like through the back door.
That's what I'm saying. I wanted to kick it because they saw employees only, or if that damage has been there. There's no shoe mark.
I get here early every day and I'm just opening up the store. I went to the back. We had a customer call in saying that they were coming in to get an iPhone. So I'm putting all our packages away, checking our safe to see if we have the iPhone and things like that. So I start the time delay. And when every time I start the time delay, I tell my watch to start a 10-minute timer. Then a customer came in, so I started working with the customer. She was talking about her internet's not working, her friend's internet's not working. And so I just go push the buttons, and once I step in, he sent me to get on the ground. Where was he at? Right behind the door.
The more legally significant charge here is complicity. Ohio Revised Code Section 2923.03 provides that no person shall aid or abet another in committing an offense or solicit or procure another to commit an offense. Critically, Ohio law imposes identical sentencing exposure on the accomplice as on the principal offender, regardless of who held the weapon. The inside employee did not need to carry a firearm to face first-degree felony liability. Her role in planning and enabling the offense is legally sufficient.
I got the wrong guy. I'm telling you all that now. It's not him.
Okay, no worries. We got the wrong guy, we got the wrong guy. We got a serious situation, you just gotta check it. Any weapons on him?
No problem. She was pointing this way. Hey.
Hands up! Put your hands up right now! Turn around! Anybody else in there?
All right. Got cover?
Who else is with you?
Don't move.
There's somebody else who's on camera.
Radio,
Let us know.
one detained. All right. Yeah, we're not playing that. Where's the gun at? Stop. Don't move. Do not move. Right out to this car. I'm asking you one more time. If you have a gun on you, you better tell me where it's
I
at.
got no gun. I didn't even do nothing. I don't know what y'all got going on.
Yeah, well, hiding inside of a store like that don't make no sense, right?
I mean, it's a barbershop.
Yeah, nah, not so much. This will go with us. We'll get it back when we're done.
That's understandable.
You own a blue car out there? You own a blue car out there?
Do I own
Yeah.
a car? Yeah, I own a blue car.
You gotta come out and talk to us. I'm gonna be honest with you, it was used in a robbery and stolen. Armed robbery. That vehicle was used in an armed robbery and
I
stolen.
wasn't in no armed robbery.
Yep. I'm just gonna be.
You had me on camera in armed
No. I said the vehicle was used in armed robbery, and so you're driving the vehicle here. We gotta talk to you about it.
Hold on. Wait.
Yeah.
What?
Did you let anyone borrow your vehicle?
Did I let somebody borrow my vehicle? Yeah, I did.
Okay. Who?
Tyree.
Who's Tyree to you?
This boy that I've been talking to.
Was he with you today?
No, he wasn't with me. I just came over to get my phone here.
Did you drive that vehicle
Up
here?
here? I don't know what police department come over to her house.
Okay, so Brook Park, so you came from Brook Park and then to here?
Yeah, I drove here.
And that's your Buick out there?
130.
Yes. And you said my car was used in robbery?
I'll be honest with you, like I said, we're trying to be honest with you. Is that the story that you want to go with?
Clear the,
We have these awesome cameras that cover each intersection and it tracks your vehicle.
Right.
So we know where you've been,
Right.
right? So like, you want to tell us like again which way you're coming from?
I came from the west side.
So why was your car coming from back where like the robbery occurred?
When?
What time do you have your car?
I got my car. What time did she text me? Because I said I was coming up Broadway.
You got
I got my
people
car
out there
at
and
probably like
still in the building.
12:16. Because she asked me, was I still coming? And I said, I'm on my way. Sorry, I'm coming up
At
Broadway.
12:16, he picked you up.
Yeah. No, that's when I was driving on my way here.
You were driving here?
Yeah, at 12:16. So probably about 12 o'clock.
Over there.
When's the last time you had your car before that?
Last night.
So you had your car the entire time from last night till now?
Yeah.
Till 12:16?
Yes.
So were you in the T-Mobile and stolen?
No, I haven't been in there. No.
So we look at the because we're looking at the cameras. We're not going to see you. We're not going to see you in there.
No.
Not one bit. Listen, be honest. The best part right now is just to be honest about everything, because you can either not be in trouble or you're going to be in a lot of trouble. I can't make a promise right now, but
I let Tyreek drive my car.
Huh?
And I said I let Tyreek drive my car.
You let Tyreek drive your car,
Yeah.
and you were at T-Mobile and stolen.
Is that so long? A road road?
Yes. Yeah.
That's my purse? So you got it out of my car? Yes, this is 100% your purse. Yeah, it is. And you said it was in there. My purse was just in my car.
I'm sorry, I'm just new to the conversation. You don't know that guy at all?
No,
The guy
that's
that-
Tyreek.
You know him?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's Tyreek.
So you guys are all at stolen then today, mistakenly
No, I went to Southern, yeah.
today?
Yeah.
Okay.
But a robbery though? My car was used in a robbery?
I'm from Bedford. All I know is the guy that...
So the robbery with you?
He had your purse.
It was in Bedford he used my car for robbery?
During field questioning, officers navigated a constitutionally sensitive threshold. The Supreme Court addressed this directly in Berkemer versus McCarty in 1984. The court held that roadside questioning during a traffic stop does not automatically constitute custodial interrogation, triggering Miranda protections. However, once circumstances objectively indicate that a reasonable person would not feel free to leave the encounter transitions to custody. Once officers informed the female suspect that her vehicle was confirmed at an armed robbery scene and pressed for admissions about her role, that threshold had been crossed. Statements made without Miranda advisement at that point carry suppression risk under the Fifth Amendment's protection against compelled self-incrimination. The vehicle stop and subsequent detention were constitutionally grounded. Under Terry v. Ohio, decided in 1968, officers may conduct an investigative stop based on reasonable articulable suspicion that criminal activity is afoot, a lower threshold than probable cause. Here, intersection cameras had positively identified the suspect vehicle as present at the robbery location at the time of the offense. That is well beyond articulable suspicion. It constitutes probable cause to detain, and once corroborating statements were obtained, to arrest without a warrant. Under Ohio Revised Code Section 2935.03, which authorizes warrantless arrest upon probable cause to believe a felony was committed. The vehicle itself presents a separate Fourth Amendment issue. Under the automobile exception established in Carroll v. United States in 1925, law enforcement may search a vehicle without a warrant when there is probable cause to believe it contains contraband or evidence of a crime. A vehicle confirmed by surveillance as the getaway car in an armed robbery satisfies that standard with significant margin. Seizure of that vehicle as an instrumentality of crime is authorized without a separate warrant under established federal doctrine.
You're going to be in no trouble, you can cooperate and not cooperate, and be in a lot of trouble.
I know, but
it's
I
one of those two
got a
things.
lot of back and forth going on already, so it's like you didn't pull me into something else. And I'm
Into
trying
what?
Whatever y'all talking about, he got going on.
Yeah.
And it's like, what the fuck?
Can I ask
Listen.
one question? There's a lot of kids running around in here. It was reported that this guy, not you, involved, had a gun at some point. You just want to make sure it's not somewhere in this business where a kid's going to find it.
I have no idea.
And it's going to help you out a lot.
I
If you know,
literally
you know what I'm saying?
came to the door. I said, grab my purse out the car so I can pay him for the haircut, and that was it.
Where's the keys to the Buick? Because it's got to get towed.
It's getting, you told me.
We have to tow.
It's using a robbery. Yeah, I mean, we can't cut the brakes on
You're
it.
not making it no easier than me.
Man, you're not making it easy on yourself.
How?
By giving someone your car that robbed someone at gunpoint. Someone got robbed at gunpoint.
At gunpoint?
Someone got robbed at gunpoint. I'm going to be completely honest with you. Someone got robbed at gunpoint, and that's why we're here. We're not like it wasn't as simple. It wasn't like someone stole a cell phone. Someone got robbed at gunpoint. Someone's affected by this, and then we just can't let you have your phone in the back. Chris, you want cuffs in the back or front?
Your judgment. It doesn't.
Yeah, I'm good. You've been respectful. I'm trying to. I'm sorry, I'm stepping on your sandal here. I just don't want to cuff you in front of it. There's no need to. Just cooperative. Huh?
All this on my hands, hair.
Oh, yeah, probably from there. Good, Chris?
Hey, Brian.
Get on the ground, I said. Drop what's in your hands. Lay flat. All the way.
Contact.
I got cover.
All right, hands on your back. Listen, we have an arrest warrant for you. Okay, we'll explain it all in just a few minutes, okay? You're helping Drake, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Lay on your butt, or sit on your butt, rather. I'll sit you upright. Okay. Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Nothing like that? We're going to stand up. Get your feet up under you. There you go. Stand up. All right. I'm going to grab your phone. That bag, if it's just goodies, we're going to put it in the...
Be in the car with us.
Okay. All right, I'm going to pat you down right over here, okay? And, Roy, we're going to separate the... All right, hang on one second. Just hang tight. Okay, so you're being arrested for complicity to aggravated robbery. We'll explain all the details. Anything sharp on you?
No.
Okay.
Got my phone?
Okay. And that phone's in that bag, right?
I don't know. You guys research.
Right.
There's someone on the phone you can hang up.
Have a seat in there. Back up a little bit. Yeah. Well, we're not going to wait right here, though. You want to take a seat on the driver's side in the back?
The 2-day gap before the third arrest is legally significant. Officers obtained an arrest warrant before moving on the third suspect. This is the correct procedure. The Fourth Amendment presumption favors warrants when exigent circumstances are absent and time permits judicial review. Complicity to aggravated robbery requires that the prosecution establish the individual knowingly aided or abetted the principal offense, not merely that they were present in the suspect's vehicle Presence alone is insufficient. Knowledge and participation must be proven. Responding officers receive a grade of A-. Contact and core discipline was maintained across all 3 arrest sequences. The firearm query was immediate and appropriate given the armed robbery context. Investigative technique during field questioning was measured and legally sound. Use of surveillance evidence to confront inconsistencies is a legitimate interrogative tool. The one deduction, Miranda advisement should have been issued to the female suspect before admissions were sought regarding her direct role in the offense. The female suspect receives a grade of D. Her conduct reflects participation in a premeditated violent felony from a position of employment trust. Under complicity doctrine, she faces identical sentencing exposure to the armed principal. Her rolling admissions during questioning without invoking counsel were legally catastrophic. The Fifth Amendment right to silence is absolute. It required only one sentence to invoke. She did not exercise it at any point during the encounter. The third accomplice receives a grade of C-. Physical compliance upon arrest and cooperative demeanor are noted in his favor. However, complicity under Ohio law carries no reduced sentencing tier for peripheral participants. If the prosecution establishes knowing participation in furtherance of the robbery, this individual faces the same first-degree felony exposure as the armed robber. The T-Mobile employee receives a grade of F. The inside job element converts this from opportunistic theft to premeditated conspiracy. She provided the access point, the operational timeline, and the live distraction. A manager was placed at gunpoint as a direct result. There are no mitigating factors in the record. 3 lessons emerge from this case. First, intersection camera networks have fundamentally changed the time to apprehension in vehicle-linked offenses. Suspects can no longer assume geographic distance equals safety. Second, complicity liability in Ohio is unforgiving. Facilitating an armed robbery from inside a store carries the same first-degree felony ceiling as pulling the trigger. Third, the Fifth Amendment is the most underutilized protection available to suspects. Rolling admissions under voluntary questioning without counsel produce convictions.
Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.